Okay, we've got a small little handheld rechargeable vacuum sealer from Chef Preserve, and there's a huge misconception about these that we want to go over and address it right away. So if you're thinking about getting one of these, or if you have one of these things, watch the video as we'll go through how to use it and how it compares to some of the other vacuum sealers that we've been reviewing for the past couple weeks. By the way, this is not sponsored in any way. We purchased this ourselves, as always, hands-on review, transparent review for you guys, so you guys can make a better purchasing decision for your household, saving you time and money. If this is your first time with us, please go ahead and subscribe and give it a like. Okay, let's get on to reviews and see how the Chef Preserve holds up and if it does everything that it promises to do. Very popular vacuum sealer online, and we decided to buy, and there's a reason there's two of them on here. This comes in two different packages. One, it only comes with 30 bags. You can also get a starter kit with just one of these and 10 bags. And that price is somewhere between $67 to $80, I think, up to 30 bags. And then you can get the next level up, which is the exact same vacuum sealer, but it also comes with 30 bags, and it also comes with 3 containers that are designed to work specifically with these vacuum sealers. The other thing that you'll get right out of the box is the cable for recharging the unit. Pretty simple to do. It takes about 20 minutes to charge it fully. The light turns from that orange light that's charging to green. That means it's fully charged. It's got a little cap here that you can remove and wash if need be. And then it's got a silicone thing here, which basically helps you to get that vacuum suction when you're doing the bags or their specific containers. This also just slides off really easily to wash and clean. Really quickly, the manufacturer suggests if you get any liquids or anything in here to basically remove this, wash this and dry it, and then dry this part with a paper towel, and then let it air dry for a couple of hours without using it. It's tiny, it's designed well, and the best thing about it is whether it's on counter space or you're throwing in a drawer, it just takes very little real estate. But does the vacuuming power of this thing hold up? And is it worth the money to get their specific bags and their specific containers? So we put it to the test. I'll tell you the things that I like and the things that I don't like about it. First and foremost, you have to buy the bags and you have to buy the containers that's specific to the Chef Preserve. So your initial cost is a little bit higher, even though the machine itself sells for that $67. But if you want to get their containers and their specific bags, your startup cost is a little bit more in comparison to some of the other vacuum sealers that we've tested. But at the same time, it's very different than some of the other ones we've tested, not just from size, but the key thing is everything here, as far as containers and bags, are reusable and also recyclable. So that's a really cool thing about this. Even though you're spending a little bit more money up front, you're gonna save some of that money because you don't have to buy as many bags throughout. The thing that most people have a misconception about, the bags are specifically for dried goods and meats. So none of your marinated stuff, none of the liquid stuff, soups and broths can actually go in this. It will not work. So there's no sealant component to this. This is simply a vacuum device. And the way it works is with your bags, these bags that come from them, they have a little suction section that this basically, after you remove the cap, you put that on and start the vacuum process. 3 sides are sealed, and this is what makes it reusable, is a double Ziploc, which actually works really well. So you put your content in here, again, for the bags, dry goods only. By the way, these are both dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and fridge safe. So that's nice too, and reusable. So once you put your items in there, make sure, this is one of the things that we had issues with, make sure this is Ziploc and locked completely, because you'll find yourself, if it has even a little bit of air gap, you'll find yourself putting this on here and for it not to actually vacuuming, only to realize that you didn't close this all the way. So that's one of the main issues that's also been pointed out online with some of the reviews. Your liquid goods or other items that you don't want them to be vacuumed and crushed will go in the containers. So depending on how you're going to be using it, You can either opt to purchase these or just use the bags or combination. We put it to use for some snacks, and the suction power on these is really, really impressive. It also has this date device on top, so you don't have to really write anything on it. You just put the month and the day of the month on here as to the day you saved it, or in your mind, you can say up to the date that it's good until, depending on how you categorize things in your fridge. If you're doing any of these containers, we found them to be a little bit finicky. 9 out of 10 times it works perfectly fine. However, from time to time, especially if there's liquids involved, if you have any type of moisture around the sealant here or around that suction area from inside or outside, the suction will not work. It's not going to give you that full airtight for this to actually work and pull all the air out. The little nipple up here on the containers, you have to push that down first. And again, you have to make sure the seal and that part is completely dry. And then you place this on here and it'll suction all that air out. And then what's impressive is if you're doing it properly, how well it keeps the liquid goods in here and how tight it is. There's no way, we've tried, there's no way if the sealant is correctly done on this for you to be able to open this without letting the air out through the nipple first. So that was really impressive. As far as, it goes without saying, all of these vacuum sealers, not only do they help you have your food last longer, but it also really helps with space saving. So in the freezer, showcasing when we froze these things in a regular Tupperware versus doing this actual suction and freezing them this way. That was another thing that we really liked about it. The other drawback of this is knowing and remembering to always keeping it charged. So don't forget, throw it in the drawer only to realize when you need to use it that it's out of battery. So that's the one thing that I would say you have to keep mindful of. Other than that, these things are somewhat pricey, but they're really high quality containers and they're glass. It just works. There's, if you, like I said again, if you keep it dry, if you're keeping it correctly and approaching it correctly, and it might take you once or twice to kind of get the hang of it, but after that, it's like second nature, really easy to use, quick to use, and again, small real estate. So all in all, we're impressed by this. This is something we would buy again. And we really like the container compartment and the fact that you can reuse them. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Give this a like, subscribe. We're always asking you guys to give us the products that you want us to review for you next. We'll be happy to do that, and leave any comments or anything at the bottom. Thank you guys, and we'll see you soon.